In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Trello template. This is a fantastic way to streamline your workflow, allowing you to replicate your successful board configurations quickly and consistently. Let's dive into the step-by-step process to set up your Trello template effectively. First, head over to Trello's website by opening your preferred web browser and entering trello.com in the address bar. If you're not already logged in, you'll need to do that next. So click on the Login button, which you'll typically find somewhere prominent on the page. After clicking Login, you'll see an option to log in with Google. If you have a Google account linked to Trello, this is definitely the quickest and easiest way to access your boards. Just click on the Google button to proceed. Once you do that, you might need to select your Google account if you have multiple ones, or just confirm your login if you're already logged into your Google account elsewhere. With access to your Trello homepage, navigate to the Boards section. This is the hub where all your Trello activities are located. Click on the Boards button. It usually has an icon of boards stacked together. Now you'll see a list of all your boards. Go ahead and open the board that you intend to convert into a template. This should be a board that you find functional and want to be able to replicate its setup for future projects. Once your chosen board is open, locate the board menu. This is usually represented by 3 dots and can be found in the top right corner of the page. Clicking these dots will reveal a range of options related to your board settings. From this menu, look for the option that says Make Template and click on it. This action is what initiates the conversion of your board into a template. But remember, this alone does not confirm the change just yet. After clicking Make Template, a confirmation prompt will appear. This is just to ensure you're certain about proceeding with this change. Go ahead and click on the Make Template button again to confirm your action. And that's it, your board is now a template. Congratulations, you've now successfully prepared a Trello template for future use. This template can be duplicated whenever needed, helping you maintain consistency across different projects. I hope you found this guide helpful. Keep exploring the power of Trello and feel free to customize your templates to better fit the unique needs of your workflow. Thank you for joining me today, and happy organizing with Trello.